A granum forms a partnership, creating a growing bond that helps plants thrive. We do the same for you. We know that if you succeed, so will we. At Granum, we believe in business rooted in partnership, which is why we've united 3 leading companies, LMN, SingleOps, and Greenius. Not just through a new name, but a shared goal: to empower landscapers and arborists to unlock their potential by improving their operations. Together with our innovative tools, you will achieve your goals, get your time back, make more money, impress your clients. Our success is determined by your success, so we remain invested in you, whether you're just starting out or have been with us for years. Granum, the power of partnership.